Want to boost your credit score in 2026 but don't know where to start? Improving your credit score doesn't have to be a complicated or time-consuming process. With the right tools and tricks, you can quickly see significant improvements in your score, even if you're starting from scratch. From using Experian Boost to getting credit for everyday payments, to utilizing the ASIO method to maximize your credit utilization, there are several simple steps you can take. In this article, we'll explore 8 easy tricks to improve your credit score and help you achieve better financial health in 2026. 1. Report your digital lifestyle with Experian Boost. In 2026, the Experian Boost tool offers a unique opportunity to increase your credit score by giving you credit for bills you're already paying. By linking your bank account to Experian, the tool allows you to report on-time payments for streaming services, phone bills, and even rent payments. By adding these payments to your credit history, you can see an instant lift in your score without any extra effort. 2. The ASIO method, all zero except one. Credit utilization, the percentage of your available credit that you're using, plays a major role in your credit score. To maximize your utilization score, use the ASIO method, which stands for all zero except one. By reducing your overall credit utilization, you make yourself appear low risk to the FICO scoring algorithms, which can have a significant positive impact on your score. This trick doesn't require opening new accounts or taking on additional debt. It's simply a strategy of managing your existing credit balances. The ASIO method can provide a noticeable bump to your credit score in a short amount of time. 3. Become an authorized user on a Gold Star account. If you're looking to quickly boost your credit score, one powerful method is to become an authorized user on a family member's or friend's credit card account. Choose someone with a long-standing perfect credit history. As an authorized user, you're added to their account and essentially inherit their credit history for that card. You don't even need to use the card yourself. This trick works especially well for individuals with limited credit history, as it helps build credibility by adding established, positive information to your report. 4. Use a credit builder loan like Self. If you're new to credit or trying to rebuild your score, a credit builder loan is a great option. Platforms like Self allow you to take out a small loan that's placed in a locked certificate deposit CD. You make monthly payments on this loan, and the payments are reported as perfect payments to all 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. 5. Micropay throughout the month. One of the best ways to keep your credit utilization low is by making micropayments throughout the month. Instead of waiting until the bill is due, use your banking app to make small weekly payments toward your credit cards. This keeps your average daily balance low and helps you maintain a healthier credit utilization ratio. 6. Request an AI-justified credit limit increase. If you're looking to improve your credit score without spending more, consider requesting a credit limit increase from your credit card issuer. Many banks now use AI technology to analyze your cash flow and automatically approve these requests, making it easy to get a higher limit with minimal effort. By increasing your credit limit without increasing your spending, you lower your credit utilization ratio, which can have a positive effect on your credit score. This is especially useful if you've been managing your credit responsibly and have a steady income. 7. Dispute zombie errors with automated tools. If there are any old, settled debts or inaccuracies on your credit report, commonly known as zombie errors, use automated tools like Credit Karma or Lexington Law to dispute them. These errors, such as incorrect late payments or debts that shouldn't be on your report, can drag down your credit score without you realizing it. Disputing these errors is a quick way to improve your score. Simply use the tools provided by these services to scan your credit report for mistakes and start the dispute process. 8. The rent reporting hack. One of the most overlooked ways to improve your credit score is by reporting your rent payments. Many people don't realize that your monthly rent payments can have a positive impact on your credit score. Services like Rental Karma and Level Credit allow you to report your past 2 years of rent payments to the credit bureaus. There you have it. 8 easy tricks to improve your credit score in 2026. Whether you're using Experian Boost, requesting a credit limit increase, or reporting your rent payments, these strategies will help you quickly build a solid credit profile. By applying these simple tricks consistently, you'll be on your way to achieving better financial opportunities and a stronger credit score. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial advice. Let me know in the comments which trick you're excited to try. I'll see you in the next video.